Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of upcycled wood wall decor, design, ideas by turning scraps into stylish profit. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Upcycled wood wall decor represents far more than just a design trend. It's a creative revolution that embodies purpose, sustainability, and artistry all at once. In a world increasingly focused on mass production and temporary aesthetics, these handcrafted creations remind us of the deeper beauty found in longevity, character, and mindful making. Turning discarded or reclaimed wood into elegant wall decor pieces is not just a sustainable practice. It's an act of storytelling, a way of preserving nature's essence while giving it new life within modern spaces. The process begins with an appreciation for imperfection. Each knot, crack, and grain in the wood tells a unique story of time and transformation. Rather than hiding these marks, creators highlight them, embracing the natural authenticity that factory-made decor can never truly replicate. This creative approach invites makers and homeowners alike to see potential in what was once overlooked, to recognize that sustainability and sophistication are not opposites, but beautifully intertwined. Economically, upcycled wood wall decor has become one of the most profitable small-scale ventures for modern craftsmen and home-based creators. It requires minimal investment, yet offers incredible flexibility in design, market appeal, and creative satisfaction. From rustic panels and geometric mosaics to minimalist floating art, every piece made from repurposed wood carries a sense of originality that customers crave. In an era where consumers are seeking authenticity over perfection and emotional connection over convenience, handcrafted decor from reclaimed materials fills a powerful niche. Buyers are no longer just purchasing an item. They're investing in a story, a sustainable lifestyle, and a tangible connection to nature. That emotional resonance turns small woodworking projects into high-demand art, often commanding prices far beyond their material cost. For creators, this means not only artistic fulfillment, but genuine financial potential, proof that passion and profit can coexist harmoniously. The impact of upcycled wood wall decor extends well beyond aesthetics or commerce. It influences how we think about sustainability, waste, and craftsmanship in the modern home. Every reclaimed piece diverts material from landfills, reduces the need for newly harvested lumber, and contributes to a more circular, eco-conscious economy. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. More importantly, it redefines what luxury means. True luxury today isn't about uniform perfection. It's about uniqueness, authenticity, and a sense of purpose. A wall art piece made from an old barn plank or a dismantled furniture panel doesn't just add visual warmth. It carries a history, a memory of another life. This connection between past and present infuses modern interiors with character and emotion, turning walls into personal galleries of renewal and reinvention. Creatively, upcycled wood wall decor offers an endless playground for innovation. Each project challenges the maker to look at shape, texture, and color in new ways, to transform constraint into creativity. A single weathered board can become a sleek modern art panel with a touch of sanding and varnish, or evolve into an intricate mosaic bursting with contrast and depth. There's a freedom in this form of creation that traditional woodworking sometimes lacks. The freedom to experiment, to blend roughness with refinement, and to let the natural story of the wood guide the design. It's an artistic dialogue between material and maker, where the imperfections of nature become the inspiration for form and function. But perhaps what makes upcycled wood wall decor so profoundly significant is how accessible it is. Anyone, from beginner DIY enthusiasts to seasoned craftsmen, can find joy and success in this form of art. The tools required are minimal, the materials are often free or inexpensive, and the creative possibilities are limitless. This accessibility has sparked a new generation of modern makers, people who are using woodworking not only as a source of income, but as a form of mindful living. The act of transforming old wood into new beauty is deeply therapeutic. It slows the pace of modern life and fosters a connection between hand, heart, and environment. Each finished piece stands as a testament to what's possible when creativity and sustainability intersect. In the marketplace, upcycled wood wall decor continues to thrive because it speaks directly to the values of today's buyers. Homeowners, interior designers, and eco-conscious consumers are searching for pieces that feel both personal and purposeful. Social media platforms and online marketplaces have made it easier than ever for creators to reach global audiences who appreciate the artistry behind each reclaimed creation. What was once a niche craft has now become a cornerstone of the sustainable design movement, proving that the future of woodworking lies not in producing more, but in making better. With the right touch of imagination and craftsmanship, even the smallest pieces of scrap can become symbols of transformation and taste. Ultimately, the beauty of upcycled wood wall decor lies in its ability to turn sustainability into style and creativity into currency. It reminds us that true artistry is not defined by how much we consume, but by how much we can transform and renew. Every reclaimed board hung on a wall is a celebration of both the Earth's resilience and human ingenuity. It's an acknowledgement that design can be profitable without being wasteful, luxurious without being excessive, and timeless without losing touch with the present. Through this art form, makers and homeowners alike are redefining the meaning of modern decor, creating spaces that not only look beautiful but feel deeply connected to nature and purpose. Upcycled wood wall decor is more than just a craft. It's a philosophy, a movement, and a way of living creatively in harmony with the planet. It's about seeing beauty where others see waste, finding opportunity where others see limits, and crafting art that enriches both home and heart. As this movement continues to grow, one truth becomes clear. Sustainability is not just the future of woodworking, it is its soul. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked upcycled wood wall decor design ideas by turning scraps into stylish profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.